Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I will show you how to clean your HUAWEI P50 USB port using home remedies. Never use metal objects to clean the connector, so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is a piece of paper in my port. To get it out, you first have to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then gently insert one part of the toothbrush into the USB port and try to gently pry out the piece of paper. Put one part to charging port and gently try to piece of paper out. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon. Goodbye.